Getting your first 10,000 followers is the hardest part of the journey. Most people wander in the dark, posting randomly and hoping for a miracle. But growth isn't a lottery, it's an engineering problem. Today, I'm giving you the exact, step-by-step roadmap to go from 0 to 10,000 followers using a 100% AI-driven strategy. No guesswork, no burnout, just a proven blueprint for success. Welcome back to Social Growth Blueprint. We've talked about tools, automation, and the mindset shift needed to win. Now, it's time to put it all together into a timeline. In this video, I'm breaking the 10K journey into 4 distinct phases. We'll cover what to focus on in your first 30 days, how to trigger the algorithm in phase 2, and the specific AI systems you need to scale once you hit that momentum. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path forward. Let's start with phase 1, the foundation. The first 1,000 followers are about identity. The algorithm doesn't know who you are yet, so you have to tell it. During this phase, your focus isn't on viral hits. It's on data training. Use ChatGPT to research the top 50 keywords in your niche and bake them into every single description and tag. Your goal is to post 3 to 5 times per week using the AI batching workflow we've discussed. This phase is where you test your SB brand. Use AI image generation to keep your aesthetic consistent. Don't worry about the low views. You are building the library that the algorithm will eventually use to categorize your channel. Once you hit 1,000 followers, the algorithm starts testing your content with wider audiences. Now, the game changes from identity to retention. This is where you master the AI video editing revolution. Script number 6. Use tools like CapCut or Descript to ensure there is a visual change every 3 to 5 seconds. Use AI to generate high-energy captions that keep people watching even on mute. At this stage, your analytics are your best friend. Look for the drop-off points in your videos and use AI to rewrite those sections for your next upload. You are no longer just posting. You are optimizing for human attention. In phase 3, you have a solid foundation and a loyal base. Now, we aim for the viral trigger. This requires high-level idea explosion. Script number 3. Use ChatGPT to identify controversial or counterintuitive topics in your niche. Use a hook like, "Why everything you know about social media growth is wrong." Use AI to create cinematic, high-budget-looking B-roll that stops the scroll. Script number 6. This is the phase where one video can bring in 2,000 followers in a single weekend. Your job is to have your Faceless Creators AI toolkit ready to capture these new leads and turn them into a community. As you approach the 10K mark, you aren't just a creator anymore. You are a brand owner. This phase is about full automation. You should now have a complete production factory thumbnail style and a streamlined script-to-video workflow. Use this momentum to launch your primary monetization method, whether it's YouTube AdSense or your digital products. At 10K, you have the social proof. People trust the SB blueprint. You can now use AI to repurpose your top-performing long-form videos into 30 different shorts and reels, creating a massive web of traffic that feeds back into your channel. The difference between those who hit 10K and those who quit at 500 followers is one thing: persistence through the data. AI gives you the tools to move faster, but you still have to be the one to press go. Don't let a bad week of views stop you. Use the AI to analyze why the views were low, adjust your blueprint, and keep moving. The roadmap is in your hands. The tools are ready. The only thing that determines your success now is your commitment to the system. You are an architect of your own future. Build it one AI-powered brick at a time. Which phase are you currently in? Are you just starting phase 1? Or are you ready for the viral trigger? Let me know in the comments, and I'll give you a specific tip for your current stage. If you want the full 30-day calendar to help you get through phase 1, make sure to watch our previous video. And if you're ready to follow this roadmap to 10K, hit that like button and subscribe to Social Growth Blueprint. Your empire starts today. Check the description for links to the 10K roadmap checklist. Success is a system, not a secret. In our next video, we're going to dive into why your content is failing and how to use AI to diagnose and fix your channel in real time. I'll see you there.